get to Instructure, once you are registered, it's simple. You type in byuh.instructure.com and it will bring you to the login screen, like I was anyway. So you type in your user ID, which is your email address. If you have your own computer, you can ask Mozilla Firefox to remember this. And by the way, you should use Mozilla Firefox, the latest version 3.6 at the moment. Everything works better in Mozilla Firefox. There's really two things that cause the biggest problems. It's using the wrong browser and Flash not being up to date on your computer. So make sure you're using Firefox. It does work in Chrome and in Explorer 8, but we've seen some problems. But Firefox, it seems to work all the time. On a Mac, it could be Firefox or the other browsers are okay on a Mac. But then make sure your Flash is up to date. Those are the two most common problems for things not working on the site. Anyway, so your username and password. Okay, so I'm logging in as a student who has done nothing yet. So there's these boxes you see coming up, and recent feedback. There's nothing in recent feedback, and it tells me there's nothing coming up because I've signed up for a class. Have I signed up for anything? Yes. Okay. So here's the class. So look at this. The home button, you hover over it, and it will bring you up a list of your classes. Many students have made the mistake of never actually doing this, and they just use the coming up or the calendar to see the classes. It's much better to actually click on the class itself, hover over the home button, and you can click on the class. When you click on the class, then you will see the whole list of assignments and also a to-do list for this class and recent feedback for this class. So I'm pretending to be a new student. So one of the first things you'll notice is I cannot click on these items. Not all classes are like this, but a lot are. And what we do is we make sure that students move through at least the first few modules in the correct order. So you cannot click on the second link until you have done what it tells you to do for the first one. So this one is available. And also notice that it says here, for technical problems, you can email byuhonlinesupport@gmail.com to get help. So anyway, so I can click on this first link. And by the way, once you're when you're in a class, you can always click on Home and get back to this page. This home is your home for all classes. If you click on it, you'll go back to the first screen we saw. You'll have a list of classes if you're in more than one, and you just click on the classes individually. This bar at the top here is for information about all your classes. If you click on assignments or hover over assignments, it shows you assignments for all your classes. And grades, if you click on that, it will show you grades for all your classes. And this calendar is for all classes. But on the left here, these buttons are to do with the class that you're in right now. So home and grades announcement. This will show you the grades for this class, and this will show the announcements for this class. So those things are associated with this class, and these are associated with all your classes. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, in this class you see that I can click on this link, but I can't click on these links. So I'm going to click on this one, and then I go into this page. And this page, which is the version it is now, this is going to change a little bit from what you will now be seeing, but there's videos to watch, and you're going to click on each of these, and at the end of the page there is quiz to take. So these videos are to help you. In fact, you're watching one right now. So you click on the video and you watch it all the way through to the end. You learn from it, and then you're going to take a quiz. This is how you take quizzes in this class. And in all cases, in any quiz, once you take the quiz, you will not be able to take it again. unless it's giving you two tries, which there are some quizzes like that. We get lots of students who say, "Oh, I clicked on the take the quiz by mistake before I had watched the materials," or something like that. That is cheating. Do not click on take the quiz until you are ready to take the quiz. You cannot look at the questions and then go back and look at the materials. And you must watch or read materials, whatever it is in the particular quiz, before you click on take the quiz, because the system knows that once you've clicked on it, that that's your only opportunity, unless we've designed that quiz to be taken multiple times. In this case, what does it say up here? It's not telling me, or it tells me at the bottom. 8 questions, 8 points possible. There's no time limit, and it's always available. It's not telling me how many goes I have. But anyway, when you're ready to take the quiz, you click on take the quiz. But make sure you are ready, because we're not going to let you take it again. If you email us and say, sorry, I clicked on it by mistake before I looked at the materials, we will not let you have another chance. So you click on take the quiz, and in this case you're going to answer questions about the videos. I'm going to go quickly so you can't see them here either. And then you do your answers, and then you say submit your answers. And I'm going to get 0 in this quiz because I didn't answer anything. So it tells me there that it took me 20 seconds, I had 0 out of 8, and now I'm going to click on the home button here to go back to the class website. Now you notice that there's a green check mark there. It says I've submitted the assignment, and now this one is now available. And I'm going to stop this video, and next I will show you actually how to do this kind of assignment, which is different. This was a quiz, and this is an assignment, and it's actually a video assignment, and I'll show you that next.